this is Sherry Campbell with Energy Realty, and today I have the pleasure of being with my longtime neighbor and client, Sunny Nejad with NRR Construction. I've actually had sellers say they don't think that open houses are successful, and it is one of the key things that we did in order to get your house sold. We had an open house every weekend. I'm a big believer in that because buyers today want to be able to visit a house easily without having to bring the realtor around. So I just wanted to touch on that quickly because we did hold an open house every weekend and that was very successful for us as well.
We did have some open houses with these other people also. One thing that bothered the hell out of me was the fact that every open house there was a different person hosting it.
Okay.
And there are situations I know for a fact, the guy was here, he didn't even know how to turn on the lights or this beautiful, fireplace behind us. And he was lost himself. He had nothing to say to a potential, buyer who came in, but the features, what are the good features of the house? That's part of selling anything to sell.
What else do you think that Energy Realty provided as a small boutique brokerage that might have set us apart?
Being an engineer and a picky engineer, I'm so detail oriented. When I had this home, with the other people, they came here for days. I had no idea what happened. Did these people show any interest?
Yeah.
You keep following up with people. I'm not just one little guy in this sea of thousands, people that you don't even have to talk the time to talk to.
That's what you hire us for.
You have that little program. I don't know what that little program is that you use.
Those are secrets. I can't give out all my secrets.
That's fine, but that was so beautiful. I was getting all these messages which will tell you that, okay, this is the latest news in your neighborhood. These are the homes which are on sale. Yep. So I can see where I fit in this big jigsaw puzzle,
Yeah. Are you ready to close on Wednesday?
Absolutely.
Because I'm excited for you and it has been such a pleasure working with you. All of our clients are smart and savvy like you, and you want to hire a realtor to do the job that you aren't able to do, which really includes market your home, communicate with you, and really know how to sell your house. So you can see the difference at Energy Realty when you work with an Energy Realty agent or with me, what we can do to actually get your house sold.
So, I do appreciate that, Sherry, and I tell you, I am really excited, for Wednesday, is it?
Yes.
To go there and close this thing because it has taken so long for this thing to sell. And thanks God you came to rescue and made it happen big time. I appreciate your help and I am ready.
Good. We're ready. Let's go do it.